Eligibility for the reverse mortgage. The youngest borrower must be at least 62 years of age for the FHA's HECM reverse mortgage and at least 55 for a jumbo non-FHA reverse mortgage. There is a financial assessment required which confirms the homeowner must have been current on their mortgage, property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and HOA dues for the last 2 years, and not declared bankruptcy or foreclosure in that period. Cannot be delinquent on any federal debt and have sufficient residual income as determined by FHA. That sounds like a lot, but financial assessment is in place to make sure once the reverse mortgage is complete, a borrower would have the ability to pay property taxes and homeowner's insurance and HOA dues in retirement and have something left over. The available proceeds vary based on the youngest borrower's age and the value of the home, less any current mortgage obligation. So it works best when current equity in the home is somewhere around 50% or more. The home must be owner-occupied and can be a single-family home, detached home, an FHA-approved condo, a townhome, a patio home, or even a 2 or 4 unit property to qualify.